Here we go again. The market the market is crazy right now, guys. The market has been going absolutely insane. We had Jerome Powell speak today as far as tapering, announcing that tapering will be a lot sooner. We're talking about next month, and the market just ignored that, completely celebrated. All right. We ended up extremely green in the market, extremely bullish, and it's crazy. All right. So we're going to get into all that. We're going to get into Tesla, my stock pick. We're even going to get into Facebook because a lot of you have been asking about the Facebook play. Just been blowing me up about it. So we're going to get into all that, guys. But before we get into all that, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below what your thoughts is on the stock market, Tesla, Facebook, whatever you like, okay? Even crypto, because you guys know I go over crypto as well. And yeah, show some support. And if you want to get into the plays early, check out the link below. Join our Discord. Stock signals, crypto signals, NFTs. I go over it all. And we have been absolutely killing it on the crypto side. So you might want to check it out, all right? But anyway, let's get right to it, okay? So in my last few videos, I have been bullish on the overall stock market. And a while back, I was actually very bullish on the SPY when it was around 430. Okay, so if we look at the SPY, right? Okay, if we look at the SPY, we kept bouncing off this trend line. This is the daily chart, by the way, but we kept bouncing off this trend line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and even if we go further back, it just kept bouncing. And then we eventually broke the trend line. We broke below it. And then this head and shoulders pattern formed. All right, we had a nice head and shoulders pattern form, super clean pattern. One, we got our shoulder here, our head here, shoulder here, then the neckline break here. Okay, this line here, we had our neckline break here. After that, if you guys paid attention to my other video talking about it, I was bullish. Okay, I was extremely bullish. I'm like, the SPY is going to head up to 460, and even before we broke this trend line, I was bullish on the SPY, and I said it was going to go to 460. We got 460 and more. Okay, once Jerome Powell spoke and everything, the market, I don't even know. Okay, the market pretty much celebrated. Okay, so, and I think it was just, like, okay, whatever. We know tapering is coming. All right. So, do I think the market is going to keep going? All right. Before I say that, we got to keep in mind that normally after the day after, not only is it tomorrow, Thursday, but the day after Jerome Powell speak, we typically get a bearish day. But since jobless claims is Friday, I don't know. I don't know, guys. All right. But overall, I am still bullish on the market. I think we could see 470, 475. 480 at the most. Okay, I think we're going to complete this bear flag, and then once this bear flag is completed, then we could potentially see a rug pull. And what seems to be happening, because keep in mind, October is typically the bearish month, but we've been getting bulls just coming in, institutions just buying the market up. Okay, October is normally the bearish month. But since it's earnings season and everything like that, it makes sense. So what I'm thinking is going to happen is that December ends up being the super bearish month, because December is typically a bullish month. Okay. So I think the roles are going to reverse. As far as November goes, we'll have to play it by ear, because tapering is happening next month. So I mean, not next month, this month. So yeah, it's going to be weird. Okay, it's going to be weird, but I do think December could be the bearish month for us. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, but anyway, yeah, again, 470, 475, max 480. Okay, tomorrow, just don't be shocked if the market's bearish. Okay, that's normally how it goes after he speaks, but I could be wrong. All right. Anyway, Tesla, man. What did I say? Last video I said Tesla is going to keep going. Okay, it's going to keep going. All right. Now this isn't based on technical analysis or anything like that. What is this? That looks terrible. Now this isn't based on technical analysis or anything, but a lot of YouTubers and analysts, don't consider is the psychology behind it all. Okay, they don't put themselves in the institutions, these big institutions, these big whales' mind. You know, it's good to be a technical analysis. It's good to do fundamentals, but you really want to have the psychological, thinking of the big guys. All right, and that's the main reason I've been bullish on Tesla. Not because of anything technical or anything like that, but simply because I put myself in the big guys' shoes. All right, and since like 800, I've had videos on videos. I've said since 800, Tesla's going to hit 900. Even the thumbnail said it. Tesla's going to go to 900. Then once Tesla hit 900, I made another video. I said it's going to go to 1,000. Another video. Oh, it's going to go to 1,100. And then last video, I said we're going to keep going. Okay, so my price target for now is still 1250. I'm playing it humble. However, I am not trading this thing. I'm not trading it at all, guys. I took my profit and I am gone. I'm not going to play with Tesla anymore because this is unhealthy. Okay, this is unhealthy. That's one thing I think, a lot of analysts can agree on, that this is unhealthy movement. Okay, it's just, I'm not naive. All right. And the only way I think this could potentially be healthy is if Elon Musk himself announces a possible stock split. Now, we did get some type of news, not from Elon Musk, but we did get some type of news saying that there's a high chance of a stock split, which I think help us get higher with Tesla, not necessarily 1,200, but higher. And I think that, played a good part in it. But otherwise, yeah, all right. So I think everybody's anticipating a potential stock split. That stock split doesn't get announced, and next thing you know, rug pull. All right. So play it safe, guys. I do think this can still go. I just don't know where anymore. Okay. Once it hit 1,200, I was good on it. I wasn't gonna touch it anymore. All right. Right now, technical analysis don't even matter anymore for this thing. It's just yeah, it's just a gamble at this point, guys. So just keep that in mind, all right? So as far as my stocks, wait, nope, not going to get into that. Facebook. I should have just put FB. Why did I do all that? Facebook. All right. Facebook is still good. All right. Facebook is still good, okay? So look at the weekly chart. Look at the weekly chart. Look how beautiful this looks, all right? Look at this amazing price rejection right here. Look at that. Price rejection. Price rejection. Price rejection. Buyers are stepping in right here. Okay, buyers stepped in right here. And remember, I said set your stop loss to under 320. But if you really, really, really are confident and you just really want to risk it, set your stop loss for under 309. Why? Because that's where this weekly candle is at. Okay. The low of this weekly candle is at 309, guys. All right, but with the metaverse news and everything like that, the metaverse news, and I think metaverse is going to be huge for Facebook. My price target is still 375, 370 minimum, and I'm still there. There's nothing showing me otherwise. Okay, look at this. I mean, it looks great, guys. All right, it looks great, and the reason why we have a far out target, which is, I believe, December 17th. The reason why we have that far target is because I'm basing this trade off the weekly chart, giving us plenty of time for Facebook to meet our target. The further the time frame, the longer you want to make the trade. All right, and I mean, look at this. Buyers, look at nothing but buyers. Majority buyers right here. This is nothing but buyers. Come on. Look at this. That's insane. Nothing but buyers stepped in on Facebook. Okay. We got the crossover on the MACD still. We're still good. We are still good. We may get that move a lot sooner than we think. Okay. So just be patient with it. There's nothing showing me otherwise that Facebook is going to crumble to the earth or anything like that. This metaverse news is going to be the metaverse thing, period, is going to be absolutely insane. So unless they, take it back, or announce some type of complications. Microsoft could potentially, hurt it a little bit, because Microsoft is planning to enter do their own thing with the metaverse. But right now, still bullish on Facebook. We broke right back up to above 330. We're good to go. Okay, so don't panic. All right, and if you do, then you probably shouldn't be doing this. Okay, you probably shouldn't be trading. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your thing. All right, Snapchat. Snapchat. All right. I am loving Snapchat at this price because it's cheap. Okay, it's cheap. The whole stock market is going absolutely insane right now, and Snapchat is just chilling. All right. And this is the time where I think this is a great time to invest into Snapchat. Number one, Facebook owns Snapchat. All right. So if we're talking about, if we're talking about the metaverse, think about what Snapchat can do. Snapchat, you might be able to scan your body on Snapchat, scan your face on Snapchat, maybe put it on like a virtual portrait in your like little virtual home. It's something crazy like that. And I think that's the potential of Snapchat, where it's going to implement that type of technology. Not only that, but if we take into consideration the holidays, right? We got Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas coming up, Valentine's Day. People love this stuff. Okay, people love Snapchat, love taking pictures around this time, love filters, and that's where apps like Snapchat really, really thrive. It's during the holidays. Okay, so that's going to be great. Okay, so we did enter a trade on Snapchat. I'm not going to give a freebie out this video, but well, this is technically a freebie. You can invest into. I think Snapchat is a good investment right now. Low, as you guys can see, I even have this line draw where it can potentially bounce off this $50 level and then continue up. Lowest I could see Snapchat going is maybe 45, but that's tough to see right now. But really good buy, really good hold. Snapchat is very strong right now, and my price target for Snapchat is $80. Okay, so really consider. So after everything I just said, the holidays, the metaverse, all that stuff, Apple releasing his new phone and things like that, people are going to be crazy on this app. Okay, they're going to be absolutely crazy and just doing all these emojis. Snapchat's going to release their little emojis and all that, and it's going to be absolutely just a great buy. Just a great buy overall. We got the MACD still up for the long term, so I think Snapchat is a really, really good hold for the long term. And even look at the weekly. Okay, look at the weekly. Eventually, this is going to give out, right? We're going to see a reversal down here on the weekly, and then eventually Snapchat is going to bounce up. Look at this. We got a bounce here. We got a bounce here. We got price rejection and multiple bounces here in this area, okay? We can even draw it out. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. So the same thing can happen here. Okay, same thing. All right. What more do you want at that point? All right. So just keep this in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Again, we could see a possible touch to 45. I don't think that's going to happen. But again, with all this negative tapering news and everything like that, you never know. All right, but right now I am bullish on Snapchat, and again, it's a long hold. Okay, it's not something you're trying to make money overnight. This is a long hold. So even if we do get $45 cost average, all that fun stuff, and yeah. So anyway, if you want more details on Snapchat plays, if you want more details on Facebook, my Facebook play, all that other stuff, if you just want to get into the plays early, whether it's stocks. First off, guys, crypto, we have been absolutely destroying it in crypto. We have been killing it in crypto. All right, we have been killing it in crypto. All right, Solana, we got in at 188, and it's probably at like 240 right now. Okay, it should be. Last time I checked, it was like 240 right now, and my price target was 260 on Solana. Sand. We got in sand when it was like under $1, like 0.7. Okay, and now we're still in sand, just collecting up profit. We have been absolutely killing it on the crypto side as well as the stock side. We played it a little slow this week with all the tapering news and all that stuff, but if you want those plays, if you want in on the Discord group, link is in the description below. It's only $40 a month. Um, yeah, you get full access to me. You get to ask me whatever questions you need. You get to figure out what my thoughts are on these plays, or ask me what my thoughts are on this play. I mean, we give each other news. We talk about news and things like that. Just yesterday, most of the group just won $100 in Bitcoin for free, just by keeping up with Twitter news and things like that. We all just pitched in, and not even pitched in, but just help each other out on finding the next big thing. Okay, so definitely we're definitely getting there. We're a small group, but we're growing, and I love it, and I absolutely enjoy it. So if you want to be a part of that community, again, link is in the description below. Otherwise, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Do you disagree with me? Do you agree with me? Your thoughts on the crypto market? I mean, Ethereum just reached all-time highs again. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, that's all I got. So until next time, until the next video, guys, see you next time.